I'm going to be going for a buy from this point it is now. All right, as you can see, I just placed my first trade. Now let's see if this trade is going to be a win or a loss. So as you can see, I just missed out on this particular trade, right? So this is a miss. I just found out one way to increase your win rate from a 40% to a 60-70% win rate. The problem with most traders is that they assume a lot. They don't even know the win rate of their system. In this video, I'll be backtesting 10 trades on GBP USD as a swing trader, moving my win rate from a 30% up to 50-60% win rate. This is how you increase your accuracy as a trader. I'll see you inside of the video. Guys, welcome inside of my screen. Now, the software I'll be using for this backtesting is called Trader Casa, right? Now, I'll just quickly come to create new session, and then I'll be using, let's use $1,000 account. I'll name this GBP USD. I'm a swing trader, and that is why I'll be taking only 10 trades for this challenge. Now, I am starting from the weekly time frame, so I'll just map out my levels. If I see the first trade, I'll update you guys.
If you waste 1 year of your life crying over a girl, anytime you want to sleep, you want to reminisce, you want to dream, you want to think about girl, that time, so now your life now they go, so time is going, now your life is going. Use that energy and focus on yourself. If you have to live 70 years, 80 years, use 1 year take care of a girl, bro. Now your time they go. 1 year of your life gone, you spend them on woman. If man we're ready to settle down, we're already capable.
All right, so my bias for this particular market is an upward move. I feel like the market is going to continue going up, but now I feel like the most of the move that are going to happen on the 4 hours has already happened. So I'll just wait for the next move to catch the next buy, or probably see if it changes direction.
They are valuable. That they will still leave you to your nemesis. You go to that place, they cry. I understand all these things. Now why they put myself first? That girl when they give you moral things, they give you rules and regulation, morality. They let you they know say she's the standard for morality. That same girl go see another boy for club, go full of go out that day. Girl when they tell you say if I come, will not do anything, no, will not go do anything.
So I'm going to be going for a buy from this point it is now to the upward side. Let's see. Long position. Yeah, my stop loss will be somewhere here, and my take profit is just 1:2, right? At the exact level. So I'll do a quick, okay, so I'll just copy and then open position. All right, as you can see, I just placed my first trade. Now let's see if this trade is going to be a win or a loss. So you can drop it in the comment section before I play the bar to know. Just let me know, what do you think is going to be based on your strategy. Is it going to be a win or a loss? So let's see. We're going to be placing the next 10 trade. Let's see.
No, yeah, you don't go touch me. Let's agree first. Let's agree first before I come. You will be you go really agree to that kind of thing. That same girl go see another boy for club that day. You go see full and go they sell doggy for them. They use a back case. The boy go see carry and use a back case stone bed. I not even the wait till I go broke first. I they live my life pretending to be broke. Not let life reach that level be say you call this your friends not be better friends. If you reach that level, you go see say nobody really did true. The way you did it like that now, you will see some people they come around you. They say certain things about certain people. You got to imagine, sir, when that guy be doing alright, not be all these guys only they move together. Why it can't be like this now? Now so all of them they do. You go see person be say when things be good for some certain people, now all of them they grew together. But now when that person not get again, they your means they talk some certain things about those people. You got to wonder, say, not be this guy they move with that guy that time.
All right, so as you guys can see, this trade ended up being a loss. But you saw what happened, right? So the highest level the market got to was 1.6. That was 1.67. Let's say 1.7, right? So this was the highest level. That means that's almost a profit of like almost $20. That's almost 1:2, but ended up being a loss. So this is considered as a loss, right? So if I was to take this trade, I would have taken it around this level, and then my stop is around here, because this is a first touch, second touch, and then the market broke at this is kind of like a breakout, right? From this level, this kind of a breakout from this level. So I don't know if I should call this a missed trade. So let's see if the market gets to around this our entry here. I'll take the trade. So long position somewhere here. That's if the market is able to drop to this level. My stop loss is below this level here. Take profits 1:2. So let's see. So let me reduce it and see if the market manage to get to that level. So as you can see, I just missed out on this particular trade, right? So this is a missed trade. So I've taken just one trade. I've seen two opportunities. One was a win, the other was a loss. I missed out on one, which is the win. Okay, oh, this one is not completely a win because it has not yet its full take profit. But let's see, most likely it's going to its full take profit. So let me just fast forward it. All right. Funny enough, the market ETSL, it went for the highest. It went for 1.1 to 1.8, and then come to ETSL. Crazy. But I didn't take the trade, so I won't be adding it as either a winning trade or a losing trade. It was a missed trade. It was a missed loss. So this is pure back testing, right? Now I feel personally that this market is about to change trend from the upward move down to like the downward move, right? Because if you check the overall trend of this market is down, because this one is kind of like a counter trend that is against the main trend, which is like there's a main resistance here. So uh let's see. Well, I've taken only one trade. So let's wait for this market to drop to the downside to around here, and then start buying to the
To
upward side.
win.
Start
Just
selling
win.
to
That's
the
the most
downward
important
side
thing in
rather.
life. Nobody's going to celebrate you till you start winning. You don't day now 1 month, 2 weeks, no text messages, no I love you, no girlfriend, nothing. Family members, nowhere to be found. Friends, you not even get. It's because you are not
So I'll
winning.
drag from the
You know
low.
understand? People
Okay, so
people
let's
only
see
care
first
about you until
150
they
on
start hearing your
160.
name
Let me reduce.
for important discussions. When they don't they see big names say they want to associate with you. Testimonies, good news.
Okay, so it is already at this point, so I would have to start seeing form of rejection to the downside to sell the market. Okay. So this one is already an invalid setup. It's not yet invalid, right? I could still sell to the downside, because most likely the market can decide to start dropping down from. Because look at this is the way this structure is right now. This is a high, this is a lower high, this is a lower high. So if it takes out this one, and then if it creates a new high that is above this level, yeah, it might be that, oh, it wants to start buying based on trend line holding on
You
order.
don't hear
So let's see
this
let's see how
boy
it advances on
recently.
that today.
Until they start hearing things like that, nobody cares about you. That's why even your area several you day, none of your age mate or even associate with you. It's because you are not winning. But do you really care? No. Use all those fuel. Use all those things as fuel to put yourself up there, because the only time people care now when they see you up there, the spotlight they on you, the attention you deserve, that time you go see them because you don't be up there. But now you be other dog, nobody care about.
Now I'm not longer looking for a sell position, right? I'm not looking for a buy position. I'm looking for the market to retrace to the downside, and then for me to buy to the upward side. But let's see, Sha, because there's also a level here. You see, trading is you have to be very strategic when it comes to trading. Although I've taken only one trade. It broke that level. So let's see. Now let's go to the higher time frame, which is the daily. So most likely, okay, this it's still showing an indecision here. So most likely the market might start buying from this level. Our stop loss will be below this level here. So let's see if we're going to take this buy or this might be a sell. So let's see. High, low. These two level are on they are on the same level right now. They are on the same level. This resistance. It's at this resistance. So most likely, let's see. And this one close. Now, you guys can see what's like obviously happening in this particular market. So it's not something even me personally can explain, right? I feel personally that the stuff that's happening here is based on fundamental because it's breaking a lot of technical rules. First off, you're in an upward trend, and the next thing you are in a downward trend, and the next thing you're in an upward trend, and then you are coming down again. So you can see that there's a lot. The reason why I'm not taking this buy or sell is because the structure of this market is kind of confused. So the let me go to the let me go to the weekly time
All
frame
these
and see
guys
what is happening. Yeah.
these guys you love so much with all your heart, they love other people. Even the ones you they crush on, they are crushing on other people. Even the few ones who even deal with you, they are there because the people they love so much, the ones they are crushing on, not they give them faith, they are not giving them attention. That's the reason why they settle down with you. And you they take their rubbish, they take their nonsense. Until you don't peep them, you don't build them finish. The ones who on the reason them before the boys on the reason, they call the later they reason them. When those ones still come into the picture, this guy will still leave you with all your sacrifice, go meet that person. Because right from the beginning, not be you be a spec. That's all life just be. She go move on with that person without minding your sacrifices. It happen every day. As you they build and not worry, when you build that, you now go claim we will call claim from you. That's all life just be.
Omo, what's happening? So it's like I would have to end this video and then continue on either Friday or Saturday, one of those 2 days. Some of you will be like, oh, he wants to go and check what later happened. No, I'm not checking what later happened. I don't want this video to be long. It's looking like the video is. I want to still take that 10 trade, right? I've taken only one out of 10 trade. Look at the market is selling to the downside. Oh, why are you not taking trades to the downside? Why are you not taking the sell opportunity or what's happening? Why are you not taking all this trade? It is because that the market is not giving a tradable opportunity here. So I could just join. I could literally join the market, join a sell here, and then the market will just continue selling. But I don't want. That's not my strategy, right? So during this period, I might go morph into like the 15 minute and just look for pullbacks and then sell to the look for pullbacks. But swing trading, this would have been the level that's at the top, would have been the level that would have been holding this trade for like weeks and be making this amount of money. Do you get? So this one is like a missed trade. I could have taken the trade from this level. Imagine I had taken a sell from this level, from this top level, right? Okay, a short position from this top. Let's say my stop loss is around this level, and then I hold it to around this point here. This is like 1:10. And you must know that things like this don't normally do happen. So let's check the fundamental. What happened on this day? What happened on this year, 2020, 18th of March? Let's check the fundamentals, right? I'll see you in the other side of my screen. In case you are wondering, what caused the major drop that happened on GBP USD? This major drop was caused by fundamental and not really technical, because technically GBP USD was supposed to buy. Now, if you remember, in 2020, that was when COVID hit, and a lot of pairs were going against the US dollar. So the US dollar gained a lot of strength during that period, and GBP USD was one of the pairs. If you check based on my research, fundamental drivers of GBP USD drop, the significant drop in GBP USD around March 18, 2020 was primarily driven by one, a global um a global dash of cash. Say as the severity of the COVID-19 pandemic, this was during the COVID-19. I don't want to read much. You can take a screenshot or pause the video and read. And also you can see that risk aversion and also the weakness of the pounds. During that period, right, the market sentiment was intensely risk off. GBP is often considered a higher risk G10 currency compared to the US dollar in times of crisis. And as you can see, they say money flow out of the asset perceived as riskier, like GBP, and into the ultimate safe haven asset for liquidity, which is US dollar. So you can see that GBP is kind of more riskier to like keep your money in GBP than to keep your money in the US dollar, right? As you can see, this were like the cause of that massive drop that happened on this massive drop you can see that happened on GBP USD. So during this period, I was not, except maybe I had taken a sell here, I wasn't able to take the sell, right? So this is the reason why, oh, you might see that, oh, I wasn't able to take a sell. So in the next video, I'm going to be taking the rest other 9 trade. I only took one trade in this particular video, and that trade was a loss. I missed out on one. That trade was kind of a win, a loss trade. It went for like almost 1:2 and then like reversed and it's SL. So I'll consider that a missed trade. I took just one trade and it was a loss. In my next video, I'm going to be taking the night trade. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and see the end result of this challenge. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.